Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove dirt from water tanks. First, ensure your water tank is completely empty. Disconnect any power sources and water lines to prevent accidents. Gather your cleaning tools, including a stiff brush, a garden hose, and a bucket. This preparation ensures a safe and effective cleaning process, making the job much easier to manage from the start. Once the tank is empty, use a non-abrasive brush to scrub the interior surfaces. Pay close attention to the bottom and sides where sediment often accumulates. After scrubbing, use a garden hose with good pressure to rinse out all the loosened dirt and debris. Make sure to flush everything out through the drain valve until the water runs clear. For disinfection, prepare a mild solution using 1/4 cup of household bleach per 5 gallons of water. Pour this into the tank and let it sit for at least 3 to 4 hours. This helps eliminate any remaining bacteria or algae. After the soaking period, drain the solution and rinse the tank thoroughly, multiple times, until you can no longer detect any bleach smell. Finally, close the drain valve and refill your water tank with fresh, clean water. Reconnect all the water lines and power sources, then carefully check for any leaks. Regular cleaning, perhaps once every 6 months, will keep your water clean and your tank in good condition. For other great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.